So you have your Tezos Baker set up, a roll of Tez through delegation, and you completed your first cycle. Now, how do you pay out your delegators? It's easy with a nifty piece of software called Breadcrumbs. I'm going to show you how. First, download the Breadcrumbs software from GitHub. You can run Breadcrumbs on Linux or Windows using Node Package Manager or download the binary release. Download the latest release of Breadcrumbs. In my case, I'm using the binary release for Windows to manage payouts on my desktop PC for the Ubuntu Linux Baker we set up in the previous video. I saved the file to a new folder called Breadcrumbs in my user directory. Next, to start configuration, you want to open a command prompt, or in my case, I'm using PowerShell. Navigate to the directory you place the file in. Now run the file with command configure. Follow the prompts by entering your baking address, setting your fee, and choosing mainnet. Then Breadcrumbs will ask you to choose your payout wallet. I'm using my Ledger hardware wallet, so I chose that. Once configuration is done, a config file will be created in your Breadcrumbs directory, which you can edit using Notepad to add more advanced functions. You can check the configuration instructions on GitHub or the config template file included in the NPM version. I added an automated Telegram and Twitter payout notification. Follow the instructions to customize it to your liking. You can run the command notification test to see if your config settings are correct. Save the file, and once you're ready to pay out, run the command pay. This will pay out the last concluded cycle using your ledger. Confirm the operation and you will see a list of delegator payments. When you are ready to pay out, press Y. Now, depending on the number of delegators, you may have to confirm once or twice on your Ledger wallet. Now that the cycle's payments have been distributed, Breadcrumbs will send out notifications to your social media accounts like magic. Easy XTZ. This automates the process of paying out your delegators at the end of each cycle. I hope this video helped you out. My name is Billy. I'm from Canadian Bacon. Please consider following me on social media for more content similar to this. Take care.